Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest and thorough reviews of the latest tech gadgets and electronics. Today, we're diving into the Sony KD50X77L X77L 50-inch 4K HDR LED Smart TV with Google TV 2023 bundle. Let's unpack what makes this TV stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about picture quality. This Sony TV boasts a 4K X Reality Pro3 and Motion Flow XR, powered by the impressive 4K processor X1. What does that mean for you? It means lifelike picture quality with rich colors and sharp details. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows, everything looks stunningly clear and vibrant. But it's not just about what's on the screen, it's also about how the TV fits into your living space. The Sony KD50X77L features a sleek design with a slim wedged stand, making it an elegant addition to any room. And with a screen size of 50 inches, you'll feel fully immersed in the action. Now, let's talk about entertainment. With Google TV integration, you have access to over 700,000 movies and TV episodes, live TV, and more across 10,000 plus apps. It's your one-stop shop for all your streaming needs. Plus, with the Google Assistant built into the remote, finding your favorite content is as easy as asking. But wait, there's more. If you're a gamer, you'll love the exclusive features tailored for PlayStation 5. Experience detailed, responsive gameplay with auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture mode. With Motion Flow XR technology, fast-paced action sequences are displayed with lifelike clarity, so you never miss a moment of the action. In conclusion, the Sony KD50X77L X77L 50-inch 4K HDR LED Smart TV offers an unparalleled viewing experience. With its stunning picture quality, sleek design, and integrated smart features. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or diving into the latest games, this TV delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, happy watching.